Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, right arrow notifications so you see message, group, and call toggles. Then, make sure Android or iPhone system settings allow WhatsApp notifications, sound, banner, lock screen. Once done, check special permissions, notification access, auto start, and battery optimization exemptions. These often block alerts. You must disable sleep or deep battery modes for WhatsApp, because the OS can kill background processes and stop notification delivery. Next, you verify network and background behavior. Test on Wi-Fi and mobile data so you isolate connectivity issues. Make sure background data is on and allow unrestricted data usage for WhatsApp, otherwise messages won't wake the app. Also, turn off data saver or whitelist WhatsApp. Once these are set, remove battery optimizations for WhatsApp. This prevents the system from pausing background sync. If you use a vendor skin like Xiaomi or Huawei, also check their app launch or protection settings. Finally, you finish by refreshing the app and system state. Clear the WhatsApp cache, force stop, and reopen, then reboot the phone to apply changes. Make sure WhatsApp and your OS are updated, updates fix notification bugs, then reinstall only as a last resort. If notifications still fail, check Do Not Disturb rules and per contact muting. If nothing works, create a test message from another account to reproduce the issue. That single test helps pinpoint whether it's account, app, or system related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.